Hi, I'm Dave and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Support. Today we're going to be looking at the unboxing and setting up of the Honor Pad 2. It comes in two colours, Moonlight White and Black. We've got both. We've got the black one as our teleprompter and the Moonlight White we're going to be unboxing. But before we begin, I want to let you know about the whole services that we provide. We provide online services such as online backup and sync, endpoint security for all your devices, remote support and network management. We also offer on-site support and setup services as well. More information and links will be in the description down below. Okay, so let's get on and see what we've got in the box. We've got the little pull tabs that we had before with the phones, but I want to keep this nice and neat, so I'm just going to cut these open. So we'll just slide the lid off. And the first thing we have is the tablet itself. Now, over here, we've got a little instruction saying that it's got magnetic clips here and here to attach the Magic Pencil. This is not the Magic Pencil, this is the Magic Pen. This works for the foldable V phones, does not work on the tablet, which is a great shame because we got this as a bundle deal and I was hoping this would work with this so that we could take notes on the tablet. But we have to take notes on the phone, and with a soft inner screen, I'm nervous that we might damage and dent the screen, so I really wanted it for this, but they don't let us do that. But we have the tablet itself. And I don't know how well that phone is going to pick up the texture, the marble effect on the back. This is absolutely beautiful. I do love the look of the white one. I've got myself the black one because I'm using it as a teleprompter, and my wife got the beautiful white one. So we'll just put that to the side. Now, it doesn't come with a screen protector, which is a bit of a shame. In the box here, we then have the USB-A to USB cable for charging it, and a quick start guide, and that's it. I just want to quickly tell you some of the features it does have. It comes with a 10,050 mAh lithium polymer battery, the Snapdragon 8 processor Gen 3 CPU with 12 GB of RAM and 250 GB storage. It comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera and only a 9 megapixel front camera, which is a bit of a shame because that's quite small. And it's got a screen resolution of 3000 by 1090, and it's only 5.8mm thick, so that's actually nice and thin. It's got a total of 3 microphones around it, one of which is on the back, and 8 speakers. It supports Wi-Fi 5 and 6 and Bluetooth 3.1. But we'll now turn it on and have a look at the setup process. I actually think this is going to be big enough that we can do it here. I won't need to move my cameras around. So you've got your volume up and down button there, and you've got the microphones 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers there. You've got your power switch here. Now, there isn't an SD slot in here, but it does say it will allow for a hotspot. So maybe it's got an eSIM built in. I haven't spotted that yet, so don't quote me on the eSIM. Yeah, just English, get started. Again, United Kingdom, we'll click next. We agree to all the services and click next. We'll just enter our Wi-Fi details and click connect. Okay, so connected to our Wi-Fi, we'll click next. Okay, and we can copy our apps and data, so we'll go next. Now, we have an issue about charge because there's only 60% charged, and I know it needs to be fully charged, or at least certainly the phones do. So I'll cut the video here and I'll fully charge this first and make sure the phone is fully charged before we copy any data across. Okay, the tablet's now at 92% charged and our phone is at 100% charged. So we will now just get our data cable that we got with the new Honor V3 phone, and we'll connect the two together. We've got our Honor V3 phone and the tablet, so we're going to connect the two. It says it's connected. Now this is why we want to make sure it's fully charged, because it immediately does start charging the phone. We can now go copy, unlock it. recognise that it's on the pad. And so we then want to choose what we copy on here. Now we're not going to copy all of our photos and apps, we're just going to copy our accounts onto here because this only has 256 meg storage, whereas this has 512. So we will just copy some of the information. Now again, the tab came with a USB-C to A cable, so if you just got the tab, you wouldn't be able to connect the two together like this. Now, previously I was able to do things like this via Wi-Fi, so that might still be an option, but I do wish all the cables were now C to C, including the chargers. I found that the battery on a MagicPad 2 has been absolutely amazing. It's been incredibly stable overnight and everything, and absolutely great to have. Like, you want to copy our Wi-Fi settings, don't need call history. Yeah, so I'm only going to copy a small amount of stuff this time. Copy. And again, when you copy apps from your phone to your tablet, they all appear in a random order and it's nowhere near as easy to use. So you have to spend about a day, depending on how many apps you have, just reorganizing all your apps. Next. And again, we're going to go with good old Google. I agree. I agree. Allow. So that was nice and quick. And click done. We can click close on here. Yep, we agree to the Honor ID. It should see it here, so we now connect. We'll scan our QR code. Go OK. And we can click next, so our Honor account is now synced across the devices. I'll do the face recognition later. We'll skip that for now. Enable all services. And we'll join. Enable. Again, we're going for the 3 keys just because we're used to that. This is just a personal preference on how you wish to use your navigation. And there we have it. Now, we've got a automatically update and download. Now, the picture hasn't resized correctly to the screen, and if you rotate it, it will then rotate differently. And if we rotate it, we can see how the picture does then fit properly. But it's a beautiful, beautiful screen. It's very responsive. And it's a lovely, lovely tablet. Again, I'll just quickly show you the back. That beautiful moon white marble effect type. It is smooth, there's no real texture to it. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It does look stunning. Again, this is just like with the phone, when they're telling you about how to do the navigation, which is nice because the new one you can now swipe. So you've opened that one by mistake, you can now swap to your notifications and the other way as well, which is brilliant. And we'll download it and install the update. Okay, the update's finished downloading, so now it's got to go through the install process. And it's finished doing the install, so now I can restart it. And you just need to enter your PIN number to log back in. And we've got some more license agreements to agree to. And that's it. It's all up to date. We'll just quickly check the Google Play Store, because I'm sure there's some here to update as well. Whilst just doing that, what we can do, if we come to our main account, manage apps, come to manage, and then we can say what isn't installed, and this will give us a list of all of our apps that we have on other devices, and we can choose which ones we want to install manually, which is an easier way of doing it, especially if you don't want everything copied across. Right, well there we have the unboxing and setup of the Outtro MagicPad 2 and previously the V3 Fold. Beautiful, gorgeous phone, a lovely, gorgeous tablet. The package bundle deal is amazing. It was really, really good value for money. Thanks for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to get yourself one of these or the phones or any of the products that we've displayed, there'll be links for them down in the description below. If you did like the video, do give it a good thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click that bell notification icon. You can also follow us on our social medias down the side there as well. If you enjoyed watching the video and you want to support the channel by giving a one-off donation via PayPal, or even better, becoming a patron, either would be great. There will be links for them down in the description below, both of which are incredibly appreciated and helps us purchase the equipment for both recording and demonstrating as well. Well, that's all for now. See you all again next time. As always, have a great day. Bye for now.